Hi, I'm John Lowell, president of Lowell Manufacturing, and we have a variety of new products at the show. What you're looking at here are some new cable management products for horizontal cable management applications in a rack. Notice you can stack. A number of these are designed to stack horizontally for a variety of applications. Also, for vertical cable management, we have some exciting new products. These are available in 2 different widths and 4 different rack heights, depending upon the rack that's used for the particular job.